Ever thought of having your own backyard orchard? Picture this: a personal paradise flourishing with fresh produce, an enchanting landscape, and a hobby that's as rewarding as it is fun. Imagine walking out your back door to a bounty of fresh, delicious fruit. To help you begin this fruitful journey, here are the top 5 fruit trees for backyard orchards. First on our list is the apple tree. Known for its hardiness and generous yields, apple trees are a classic choice. They offer a spectacular spring bloom and give you a harvest of nutritious apples in the fall. Next, we have the pear tree. Pear trees are a fantastic choice for their ability to thrive in various climates and their delicious fruit. They require a little more care than apple trees, but are well worth the effort. Third in line is the cherry tree. These trees are not only known for their sweet, juicy cherries, but also for their stunning spring blossoms. They're a true feast for the eyes and the palate. Fourth, we have the plum tree. Plums are easy to grow and their fruit is versatile, perfect for eating fresh or making into jams and jellies. Last but certainly not least, the peach tree. Peach trees are a bit more demanding in terms of care, but the reward is a juicy, sweet fruit that is hard to beat. With these trees, you can turn your backyard into a fruitful oasis. But naturally, such bounty doesn't come without a bit of nurturing. Your backyard orchard thrives on regular care like pruning for growth, watering for health, and pest control for protection. With a bit of care, your backyard orchard can provide you with years of delicious homegrown fruit. So, ready to turn your backyard into a fruitful paradise? Remember, a backyard orchard not only beautifies your space but provides tasty and nutritious fruits. Consider planting apple, pear, cherry, peach, or plum trees. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy planting!